telling me, guess I'm not who you want me to be. Say I take you for granted, you need something less intense. You got me like, we don't fuck like we used to do. And when we talk and make it all about you, you know the things that you'd like to change about me. Be easier if I ever heard you say sorry. You ask permission and I let you, like if I never even met you. Think that I've seen this show before. Thought that I never could regret you, and then you act like I'm a stranger. Maybe I guess I like it too much, yeah. Too many times you've been stuck in my head, freezing you out and laying back in my bed. Say that we're done, but you need me here. I know that you still think of me. So many times you throw the things that you've said, laughing too loud or you were giving me head. Say that we're done, but you need me here. I know that you still think of me. And I guess that it makes me crazy. When I'm alone, my whole life seems hazy. One minute I let go, next I'm crawling to you. Always hope I can change your mind. Always hope I'm not out of line. Not go with promises, but I can take this loneliness. You ask permission and I let you, like if I never even met you. Think that I've seen this show before. Thought that I never could regret you, and then you act like I'm a stranger. Maybe I guess I like it too much, yeah. Too many times
Guys, ang ganda oh. Marunong ka. Sir, paano po? Okay lang. Thank you.